The electric semi-truck is coming. It is set to revolutionize the transportation industry, and their multi-billion-dollar semi-truck gigafactory is the first step. Get a rare glimpse inside the colossal factory and explore how Tesla is striving to revolutionize the industry by producing the world's most advanced semi-trucks. Get ready to experience the power, convenience, and safety of Semi. This is Technology Now. From the delivery of goods to construction sites and emergency services, trucks are an essential part of modern-day society. They help move goods and materials from one place to another. Trucks are a key factor in the growth of the economy as they are able to transport products quickly and efficiently. They also provide employment opportunities to many people, making them an important part of the workforce. It's no denying that trucks have been essential to our economy and way of life ever since their invention in 1896. But there are problems inside the sector. For decades, fossil fuels have provided the power that is essential to the durability and effectiveness of vehicles. So, trucking is one of the businesses responsible for the most greenhouse gas emissions. The lengthy hours on the road and the poor pay have contributed to a worldwide driver shortage. Also, there are strict limits on the amount of time a driver may spend on the road before needing a break. Elon Musk, with his expertise in technology and engineering, has spotted the need for innovation in the trucking industry and has set out to create a revolutionary system that will revolutionize the way goods are delivered. Tesla Motors has just unveiled its latest innovation, Semi. This revolutionary and fully electric big rig truck is set to change the game of the transportation industry. Semi-trucks are equipped with advanced features such as autonomous driving, low-cost maintenance, and extended driving range. The company is committed to providing the most advanced, efficient, and sustainable transportation solutions available and is changing the way goods are shipped across the world. 3 separate motors deliver instantaneous torque and unrivaled power at any speed, allowing drivers to safely merge with traffic and stay up. It can also accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 20 seconds while carrying a full load and sustain highway speeds, even on steep climbs. Active safety elements are paired with modern motor and braking controls to provide traction and stability in all weather situations. A central sitting position improves the driver's field of view, while an all-electric chassis decreases the chance of rollover and cabin intrusion in the event of an accident. Semi is capable of traveling up to 500 kilometers on a single charge using less than 2 kilowatt-hours per mile. Using Tesla Semi chargers, you can recover up to 70% of your range in 30 minutes. Electric charging is typically 2.5 times less expensive per mile than diesel filling. And what's even more intriguing is that there is a regenerative braking system in the Tesla semi-truck that reuses the energy normally lost while slowing down, range extension, and battery topping off. Tesla claims that the technology is so efficient that brake pads will never need to be changed again. Okay, I wanted to make sure you were having fun with this video. If you are, please hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss any of our regular tech releases. Also happening inside the Tesla Gigafactory is the birth of yet another cutting-edge method for extending the battery's life. This semi-truck has an automated tire inflation system. Well, you might be confused with what's the connection. According to the North American Council for Freight Efficiency, improperly inflated tires may reduce fuel economy and speed up tire degradation, so it's crucial to keep them at the right pressure for both safety and economy. Tires on commercial vehicles that are underinflated by 10 psi often use an extra 0.5% to a full percent of gasoline. As a result, keeping the pressure in the tires up will not only prevent breakdowns but will also save money and increase the mileage. The revolutionary charging system is also the talk inside the Gigafactory, as Tesla's engineers are working to make sure that this technology is reliable and efficient and is certainly worth the talk inside the Gigafactory. Having to wait around for hours to charge the Giga battery is a waste of time and money, and definitely, Tesla will find a way to improvise a solution. That would be the Mega Charger. One may get an 80% charge in as little as half an hour with a Mega Charger. This improvement increases the vehicle's range by 400 miles. Those charges are anticipated to be far quicker than the current V3 Tesla superchargers, which can power up to 250 kilowatts for vehicles like the Tesla Model Y and 3. This truck can haul up to 36 tons, and since the Tesla semi-truck is finally ready, Pepsi gets the first ones. These giant chargers have been set up already at the PepsiCo plant. The enormous plant also has one of the most cutting-edge paint facilities in the world. Both cars' aluminum frames and chassis will be coated inside. As was widely anticipated, the Tesla truck will come with Tesla's upgraded autopilot function. The vehicle can now apply the brakes, stay in its lane, and steer itself autonomously in the event of an emergency. It also has a mechanism that alerts the driver if they want to start to veer out of their lane. They also have the technologies installed to prevent them from jackknifing. When a huge vehicle begins to slide, the trailer linked to the tractor or cabin typically swings and folds over in front of the tractor, producing the shape of a half-open jackknife, causing massive traffic jams. There is a serious risk involved here. According to Tesla, the semi-sensors immediately begin offsetting the onset of instability by providing torque to each tire and separately engaging all of the regenerative brakes. Tesla Semi is a revolutionary new truck that stands out from the competition by not emitting any greenhouse gases. The Tesla Semi is powered by a battery electric powertrain, which means it runs on electricity instead of fuel, making it completely emissions-free. With no combustion engine and emissions-free operation, the Tesla Semi offers a clean, efficient, and sustainable way to move goods while complying with strict environmental regulations. Tesla asserts that drivers will save over $200,000 in gas costs over the course of 2 years. You'll quickly recoup the cost of the truck. Elon Musk's drive for success is unparalleled, and he is constantly pushing himself and the companies he has created to continue pushing the boundaries of what is possible. With the technology he is developing, it could drastically reduce the cost of shipping, reduce emissions, and help the trucking industry become more efficient and profitable. I hope you found this video entertaining. Again, make sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons. Thanks for watching. All the latest technological developments right now. This is Technology Now. I'll see you in the next video.